secret locations across the United States, Project Axial Light was also busy turning the humblest of birds into covert eyes in the skies. It's September 1976. Aerial photographs show the Soviets building nuclear submarines in Leningrad, but the CIA needs more information. Spy planes fly tens of thousands of feet above their target, while satellites are restricted to space. From these distances, it's impossible to take detailed high-resolution photos. Enter pigeons. A pigeon could fly about 100 feet over a target any time, day or night, and regardless of the weather. Most importantly, no one would notice it, and they could clearly be trained.